Hello friends, today we will be discussing about experiment 4 in VLSI lab, that is full subtractor. Myself, V. Prashant, Associate Professor of EC working in Practical Engineering College. I will be explaining how to design a full subtractor in mental graphics schematic version. Later on we will be discussing about how to design a layout for the subtractor. First we will be going with part A, that is schematic. So the full subtractor is same as full adder. Only difference is here A will be complemented, A complement B will be there. So the only difference is that when we are connecting, if you take a half adder will be having, for some expression, will be having a exclusive OR gate. For carry expression, will be having a AND gate. So if you take A and B as inputs, this is the half adder expression. Now this half adder can be converted into half subtractor by simply placing an inverter across the AND gate. Then it will be becoming a half subtractor. If you see the circuitry here, we are having one half subtractor which I have described you, exclusive OR gate and AND gate, where A is complemented here. So when you design full subtractor as same as full adder, that is by using two half subtractors and OR gate, you can design a full subtractor. So please refer to my previous videos like NOT gate, NAND gate and NOR gate. Without those things, and also I have fourth experiment I have gone with full adder. Please refer to those experiments. So those lecture videos, so you will be knowing how to design a full adder, and if you know how to design a full adder, full subtractor is also very easy. Let me remind you, when you are going to design a full subtractor, following logic circuits are to be designed first. What are those? You have to design a XOR gate. To design XOR gate, we need to have AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And we should also have a AND gate. Because we already have AND gate, then it is very easy. So AND gate, how we can design? We can design by connecting NAND and NOT gate. The OR gate will be having NOR and NOT gate. So please remember, when we are doing experiments in mental graphics, we have to save everything in our library. So once all the gates are designed, so see, first of all I will be designing a NOT gate, then I will be designing a NOR gate, then I will be designing a NAND gate. So I will be placing those in library, and I will be calling from the library, and I will be designing a AND gate with the help of NAND plus NOT. Then I will be designing a OR gate with the help of NOR and NOT. So I will be calling from the library. So then I will be designing a XOR from, I will be calling these now AND, two ANDs plus two NOTs plus OR gate is required to design a XOR gate, because you already know A bar B plus A B bar. So to design a full adder, we should design all these things, NOT gate, NOR gate, NAND gate. Then by using those things, we have to design AND gate, OR gate, then XOR gate. Then we have to design a half subtractor where we will be using XOR plus AND plus 2 NOT gates. So we will be designing. Then by using full subtractor, I will be designing 2 half subtractors plus OR gate. So to design a full subtractor, we have to design NOT gate, NOR gate, NAND gate, and OR XOR, then convert into a half subtractor, then we will be getting a full subtractor. Now we will be designing those things. See, I will be running the process. So as you know the command CHS, then we will be giving the path to note the tool, then Pixis schematic editor I will be going. See, now you can see here in the experiments I have already designed all gates. Inverter I have designed, NAND gate I have designed, NOR gate I have designed. By using these things, I have designed AND gate and also OR gate I have designed, and also exclusive OR gate also I have designed. So these are all the things that I have explained in the previous lectures. So you can see my videos of NOT gate, NOR gate, NAND gate and also full adder. Now we will be going with the new design called half subtractor. First of all, we will be designing a half subtractor. I am giving HS12. Now, you already know this is a library. Here in the experiments library, I am directly taking exclusive OR gate. Then I will be taking AND gate. So please keep the space. So once AND gate is completed, now you take the inputs. Now, as I already told you, input A is connected to AND gate So, this is the connection. Make sure the connections are clear. So once the connections are clear, so this will be difference. This will be V out. Now I will be connecting those things. Once the connections are over, I will be saving. Okay, there are no errors. Then add generate symbol. I will be choosing the box. Then okay. So I got the half adder, I will be registering it. Then immediately I will be going to design a full subtractor. So full subtractor 1, 2. So now from this experience only, half subtractor is there, no? You take the half subtractor and 2 half subtractors you take. Then if you see the diagram, here difference is connected to one of the exclusive OR gate. So this is connected to this. Now we should have one more gate, that is OR gate. So here this one is connected to this one, this one, and your inputs, this is A, B and borrowing. First one is A, B, B. So the outputs are, we are having outputs as one is difference and one is borrow. So once connections are made, you have to check whether there are errors or no. There are no errors. Then I will be generating a symbol for this. Choose box. ఇక్కడ 2x2 అని ఉంది. Width 2 ఉండొచ్చు, కానీ height మాత్రం 3 పెట్టుకోండి, ఎందుకంటే 3 inputs ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి. So that we will be getting like this. Save it. Now whether this one is working as a full subtractor or not, we have to do the simulation part. Now I will be doing the simulation part. So here I will be creating one more schematic to run the simulation. Full subtractor underscore sim. Full subtractor underscore sim. So this is what I have done. Now once it opens, directly I will be calling the full subtractor. Once I called, I already explained you in the previous lectures. Directly, first of all, identify the inputs. A, G and B. So once this, then outputs are difference and G out. So for this, go to library. Here we are having generic library, because we have to provide VDD 5 words. ground. We are having 3 inputs, that is why we have to connect to 3 patterns. I am taking ground. Now go into source library. DC is given to this one. Pattern 1 is given to source 1, that is input 1. Pattern 2 is given to input 3, input 4. Once these are all given, please connect those things. Make sure VDD is 5 volts. Now pattern 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So save. No errors. And immediately go back to simulation. I am checking for the simulation. New simulation. Okay. Once the simulation starts, you go to analysis, DC, source, V2, source, V3, source, this is V4. So then transient analysis 0 to 1000 nanoseconds. A time period is given. Apply it. Go to outputs here. Add those things. Once you apply, run. It will take some time. So your simulation successful. Once simulation completed successful, go to view waveforms. You will be getting the output. So this is in A, B, then difference bar. If you see a difference, if you see the difference 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. So 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. If you take the borrow 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1. 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1. So with this you can successfully check that whatever we have designed, the schematic version of the full subtractor in Mentor Graphics is exactly working as per our circuit needs and also for the truth table. So with this, our experiment of this full subtractor is completed. In next session, we will be discussing about how to design a 2 to 4 decoder. So for today's class, I will be ending. Thank you everyone.